His body broken, his flesh hanging tattered threads of white mixed in with a sea of red blood and wine. 39 lashes, 39 gashes that left his skin the color of blood and ashes. Beaten, bruised, broken beyond repair, with not a soul willing to shed a tear for the man, the King of the Jews, dressed in crown of thorns and purple robe of majesty, mocked and spit on for being falsely accused of blasphemy. 7-inch nails were driven into his hands and his feet. 7-inch nails were driven in by you and by me, our hammers being our own sin and iniquity. It was for us he died, his forgiveness 7 times 70. He knew that his death sentence hung on that bloody tree, but he continued out of his own accord for us, his pain for us, his flesh for us, his blood for us, and even his last breath for us. And I can do nothing but lay down at his feet and acknowledge him for his mighty feat, for truly this man was the Son of God. He made something out of nothing with the power of his mighty hands. Hands that formed creation, made the sea into dry land. His feet traversed the earth to set an example for you and for me, of endless love when his earthly body hung on that bloody tree. With each tear he bled, a nation was healed. With each drop he shed, all mankind would feel cleared of all sin and iniquity, of all scars, wounds, tears, and misery. Each breath was a struggle, each heartbeat a fight, but he fought through the pain, through the strife. He relentlessly strove to make sure our stained souls washed white. His chest heaved with last ragged breath, and our Savior finally met his death. He showed limitless compassion, sacrifice, to raise the dead back to life. Oh death, where is your sting? Oh death, bring your heaviest blow, 'cause I know that nothing formed against me shall stand before the power and the presence of the great I am. Oh sin, you have lost your grip on me, 'cause Christ is risen and I am set free. See those hands, those feet, they were pierced for me, but Christ is not dead, can't you see? The lame can walk, the blind can see, the deaf can hear, and the dead have risen. Jesus has broken the chains of sin and raised even the darkest man stuck in the deepest ocean. Look up, O church, because there's no time for mourning, because Christ, the Son of God, is risen.